please.
Tánaiste, as we know, Breastcheck, which was introduced 18 years ago, has made a massive impact on this country. It has saved many thousands of women's lives, and it is being independently and internationally verified as one of the best screening programmes in the world. In the report for 2015-2016, 198,000 women were offered screening and 146,000 took it up, which is an uptake of 74.7%, which is the highest uptake to date. That year alone, in 2015-2016, 986 cancers were detected, thereby giving a better outcome to those that used the service in that year. Breastcheck costs €40 million a year to run, which is money incredibly well spent, and was described yesterday at the Oireachtas Health Committee as being one of the best parts of our health service. However, in that hearing yesterday, doubt has been cast on its future. The Breastcheck National Clinical Director, Professor Doherty, said that since Cervical Check Scandal broke in the media, Breastcheck has actually received 15 solicitors' letters in the last fortnight alone. It's extraordinary for a service that, up until then, used to receive 1 or 2 a year. Professor Doherty is genuinely worried that if these cases are successful, that could absorb all of the money from the programme and may end up jeopardising it altogether. Professor Doherty mentioned legal costs setting into the tens of the millions, and she said that the taxpayer is going to say stop the screening programme, which would mean that women would die from breast cancer. As I said, in 1 year, 986 cancers were detected. Tánaiste, are you aware of Professor Doherty's comments yesterday? Have the government a plan to deal with this challenge to Breastcheck? And can you state here today that the government is fully supportive of the Breastcheck programme and that you will give full support to the management of Breastcheck to ensure its continued success, particularly in face of this challenge? Thank you, Tánaiste. As I said, Breastcheck is being independently and internationally verified as one of the 2 best screening programmes in the world. So I think everybody can have full confidence in it. But as you said, as a screening programme. And I think there needs to be information given to the public generally on what screening programmes are, what they do, and the limitations of screening programmes. And that information may help avoid some of this legal confusion that is happening. You spoke about open disclosure. It has been the informal policy of the HSE since 2013 that open disclosure is the policy in its operations. But it will be next year, 2019, before this rolls out in Breastcheck. Can you comment on that, please? And also, Minister, can you give us a guarantee that there is no other underlying issues in any of the other screening programmes, and that the Minister and that the Government are on top of this issue in a way that you weren't on top of the cervical check issue when it first broke? That you're not going to be caught blind once again, and that being caught blind will undermine confidence in the delivery of the programme?
Thank you, Deputy.